Setting up the shower on any of the Forbes caravans is a very simple thing to do. You have a shower tent, 3 poles, ropes and pegs. You'll need 6 pegs, 2 ropes and a hammer, and that's everything you'll need to put this together. First, we find the sail track, insert here on the top, make sure that the cutouts here are at the back, and simply slide it into the track attached to the side of the caravan. Be careful not to force it, put it gently through, and away we go. So now we put the spigot poles through the eyelet, attach our spreader pole against the 2 spigot poles and extend it. Now it's taken shape. Now we attach our ropes and we'll have a structure. Now we've got our ropes set up, pegged down, we've got the structure up. All we have to do is put the pegs in the base of the shower, then put our floor in. So we've pegged out all 4 corners of the shower tent, placed our floor in there, and it's ready for use. Just get the handpiece out and you're ready for your shower. And packing down is the reverse of what we've done.